What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is our tiny little Lachey. I hate moving. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. It's another day. Like I said, I'm not keeping track of it. And today is Sunday. We got to be out by Wednesday, so we finally moving around. It feel like we're not getting a lot of progress done, but you know, that's the process of moving. We went to church this morning and came back, so now we back at it. And so somebody's very excited, but I am definitely not.
I'm so excited on Friday because I new house.
I'm not excited, not about the moving process.
Why are you not excited, huh?
Because we got to pack all the stuff up.
I'm excited.
You excited? She's very excited. So yeah, so y'all, we back at it. I probably just do a little
Clean up.
we doing a little more packing. I might just do a little B-roll. Not that y'all want to see people packing, because who want to see people packing? But you know, yeah, I hate packing, by the way. My mood is shifting some though, I guess, because now we don't have a choice but to get it done. But I don't like it. I don't like it. When I move again, praying that the good Lord touch my finances so bountifully, so that the people can come in here and do all this stuff. But also, hopefully, I can learn not to be such a collector of things. But we have been in this house for 5 years, so I guess it's pretty normal. This is Al's first house since she's been on Earth. I was pregnant when I moved in here on light duty, so I had it easy. I couldn't even do all this stuff when we first moved in. So maybe this the payback, huh? I guess, because hubby had to do a lot of this stuff by himself when we moved here. So yeah. All right, well, until we come back, or until the next time I check in, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. I don't know what day we on. We back at it. I'm in here in this little craft room. The level of stuff in here is insane. Like, insane. I really need to work on being a modest not a minimalist, because I'll probably never be there, but definitely not a maximalist. But here we are. So just checking in, still going through. Finally made it in here. We got 2 days left, so let's just see what happens. We can just stuff. In my mind, I need to keep this like something I need to do with it. But as of right now, I don't have anything to do with it. So I'm gonna put it in the giveaway bag. I'm gonna get my mind off of it, because it's been in this closet for who knows how long. So if I was really gonna do something with it, it would have been done by now, right? Yeah, I'm just checking in while I'm in here going through. Look at this. I need my seam ripper. I really need to keep these too, huh? Because one day I am really gonna do some of this stuff, don't y'all think? Yeah, I'm just checking it out. We did go see the new place today. It is a little bit bigger than I thought, but it's still small, much smaller. So all the more reason why we gotta condense. But I'm excited. But it's just too much. So yeah, at this point, This trash. Trash. I'm not getting rid of all my denim because I still got plans for these. But everything else gonna go. Probably gonna need some form of therapy soon. Alright, y'all, so I was just checking in. Hey y'all, whew, checking in. Loading the U-Haul, got a few things on there. It's a mess.